हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस रोल से रिलेटेड। अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, सैलरी कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज एंड एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर द जॉब पोस्ट। तो अगर आपके पास स्किल्स हैं लाइक पावर बीआई, टैबल्यू, क्यूलिक्सेंस और किसी अदर विजुअलाइजेशन टूल का और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस टूल का, देन सर्टेनली यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीस जॉब पोस्ट। वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ। माय नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल, and I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting candidates for different skills like Power BI, SQL, Python developer और data analyst role। अगर आप चाहते हैं आप कोई भी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस ना करें इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड, देन सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल राइट अवे। फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है, जहाँ पे मैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स कराता हूँ रिलेटेड टू दीज डोमेन्स अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहे, देन डू फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। और अगर आप चाहते हैं मुझसे कनेक्ट करना, कोई फीडबैक, सजेशन है या यू वांट एनी असिस्टेंस, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन रीच आउट टू माय मेल आईडी एंड माय सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स एंड ऑल द लिंक्स आर अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स है, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। बट बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है या आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे ऐसे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें या रेगुलरली जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें, then do press the like button, share it with your needy friends, and also you can share your feedback or suggestion in the comment section as well। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
तो फ्रेंड्स आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ पावर बीआई डेवलपर और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस एनालिस्ट। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज SCALEUPALLY, hiring for business intelligence developer, experience 0 to 1 year, job locations in Noida, salary 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. Education, bachelor's, master's degree in computer science, IT, or other similar degree. So if you're looking to start your career as a fresher in business intelligence domain, then you can apply for this job post. Job description: we look forward to hiring a passionate business intelligence developer. He shall be responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining business intelligence solutions, including but not limited to query tools, data visualization, interactive dashboards, and ad hoc reportings. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a BI developer. And if I'll talk about technical skills for this job post, you need to have good knowledge in writing SQL queries, expertise in using advanced level calculations on the data set, knowledge and skills for secondary tools such as Microsoft Azure, SQL Data Warehouse, and Visual Studio, excellent analytical thinking for translating data into informative visuals and reports, experience of working with MIS WFM system would be preferred, experience in developing application in Power BI, exposure to any other BI tools is a plus, and knowledge of tools such as AWS and SQL Server is required. And if you have hands-on experience in Power BI and Power tools, that would be an added advantage. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for the role of BI developer. And if you're interested for the job post, what you can do, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the second job. Company name is QUORUM, hiring for BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job location would be Pune, and they are offering you hybrid job opportunity currently. Salary would be negotiable, education bachelor's degree in computer science, stats, mathematics or related field. Roles and responsibilities: collect, clean and validate data from various sources, perform exploratory data analysis to identify trends, patterns and anomalies, develop a statistical model and perform hypothesis testing to uncover insights, creative interactive dashboards and reports to provide real-time insights, optimize BI systems for performance and scalability, and develop data models and schemas to support BI reporting and analysis, ensure data integrity and consistency across the organizations. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI developer. And if I talk about technical skills for this job post, strong analytical and problem solving skills, proficiency in data analysis and visualization tool, that is Python, SQL, Tableau or Power BI, experience with the Power BI development tools and platforms such as SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, knowledge of data warehouses and ETL processes, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, ability to work independently and as a part of the team, and knowledge of machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques. So these are some technical skills you need to have to apply for the job post. And for this, you can find this link in the description box of this video, and you can click on this link to apply for this job. Third company in the list is MRO, hiring for senior analyst BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Pune, but they are offering you remote job opportunity currently. Salary will be discussed at the time of interview. Education, bachelor's degree in computer science, information system or related field. About the role, we are seeking a skilled BI developer to join our dynamic team. As a BI developer, you're responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining BI solutions that provide insights for making strategic business decisions. You'll also work closely with business intelligence stakeholders and the IT team to understand business requirements. Required skills: bachelor's degree in computer science, information system, or related field, proficiency in Python, proven experience as a BI developer or data engineer with a focus on BI, a strong proficiency in SQL and experience with relational database and non-relational database, experience with BI tools such as Power BI, Tableau, or similar, knowledge of Java or Scala, familiarity with ETL tools and techniques, solid understanding of data warehouse concepts and methodologies, and you need to have excellent communication and collaboration ability to work independently and manage multiple priorities effectively, and experiencing with the data visualization best practices and principles. So these are some technical skills for this job post, and if you find yourself suitable for this job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. This link you'll get in the description box of this video. Fourth company in the list is ECOLAB, hiring for senior engineer power platform, experience 2 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. Pay scale would be 4 to 9 lakhs per annum estimated. Roles and responsibilities: develop and implement customer solutions using Power Apps and Power automate workflows and business processes, collaborate with stakeholders to gather requirements and provide technical solutions, stay up to date with the latest Power Apps and Power Automate features and trends, provide technical insights and guidance to development teams throughout the software development lifecycle, conduct workshops, presentations, and demonstrates to showcase the capability and benefits of low-code platforms, and advancing core intelligence solutions within Copilot in the areas such as LLM fine-tuning generation. So these are some key skills you need to perform as a senior engineer over here. And if I'll talk about technical skills and experience, at least 2 years of experience in Power Apps and Power Automate development, proficiency in Power Apps, Power Automate, and SharePoint, excellent communication and problem solving skills, solid understanding of integration technologies, APIs, and protocols, Power Platform, SharePoint, Power BI Core, Copilot, and tooling like Git, Jira, Azure DevOps. And if you're comfortable with roles and responsibilities, you have required skills, what you can do is you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the fifth job. Company name is Arrow, hiring for Power BI developer, 1 to 3 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or related field. Salary would be 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: develop and optimize DAX and M queries for advanced data manipulations, design and create visually compelling and interactive visual dashboards, customize and extend Power BI functionality through advanced scripting in Python or PowerShell, leverage Power BI platform components such as Power Apps, Power Automate to create integrated solutions, embedded Power BI reports into Power Apps and vice versa for unified user experience, embed Power BI reports into Power Apps and vice versa for unified user experience, and use DEX to write customized logic for representing data in Power BI reports. So these are some key responsibilities for the role of Power BI developer. And if we'll talk about technical skills and other criteria: proven experience as a Power BI developer with a strong understanding of data visualization principles, proficiency in DAX and M queries, strong SQL skills and experience working with various data sources, certifications in Power BI, Power Platform, Databricks, and Snowflake would be an added advantage, and experience with advanced analytics and machine learning integration in Power BI. And if you're comfortable with the roles and responsibilities, you are good to go with technical skills as well. You can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Sixth company in the list is Vertoz, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 3 years, job location would be Mumbai, education bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, MBA, CA or relevant field. Salary would be 6 to 12 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. Roles and responsibilities: engage with the internal teams, finance, sales, HR, business, etc. to consume business process understanding for specific areas. Use obtained business understanding to create high quality performance dashboards on BI tools like Power BI, Tableau, QLIC. A logical approach to problem solving, making rational decisions based on analytics of data from a wide range of sources. Defining, monitoring and reporting of KPIs or key task activities, and high comfort level with large volume of data. Technical skills, strong competency in BI tools, especially Power BI, Power Apps, MS Office, text queries. Comfortable working with multiple data sources like SQL, JSON, Web, CSV, folders, Google Sheets, etc. Personal drive and positive work ethic to deliver results within tight deadlines and in demanding solutions, and good written and verbal communication skills. So these are some technical skills for this job post. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. This link you'll get in the description box of this video. Let's move to the seventh job. Company name is Diebold Nixdorf, hiring for business intelligence analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations in Hyderabad, education bachelor's degree required, salary would be as per industry standards. And if I talk about roles and responsibilities, work closely with supported functions to understand business priorities and KPIs, applies accepted metrics, methods, and tools to analyze appropriate datasets, contributes to the development and delivery of basic business intelligence work streams, including data synthesis and generation, work on standard, recurring, and ad hoc reporting needs and data analysis, assist in efforts to develop and enhance data pipelines, workflows, and queries based on large datasets, assist with the technical design using object-oriented design techniques, assistance in measuring performance, increasing efficiencies, and tracking global key initiatives, and creating visual context in alignment with best UI experience and branding guidelines. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And about technical skills and educational qualifications. Graduation required, minimum of 2 to 4 years of relevant experience or equivalent combination of education and experience in business intelligence. Good business English skills, both written and spoken. Good knowledge of advanced Excel. Knowledge of Visual Basic and Power BI is an added advantage. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. The it job company is hiring for business intelligence experience 2 to 3 years. Job locations in Gurgaon. Education bachelor's or master's or equivalent experience, technical degree preferred, and salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities as a BI developer, collaborates with team members to co-develop and solve problems, proactively reaches out to meet peers across the environment and collaborate to solve problems, take advantage of opportunities to build new technical expertise in a specific engineering, seeks knowledge from subject matter experts when needed, understand the importance of building and operating high available distributed systems of data extractions, ingestion and processing of large data sets. Key skills, has strengths in programming languages equally relevant to data like Java, Spark, Python, moderate familiarity in other applicable languages, demonstrated actual successful hands-on experience in designing and delivering projects using at least one data processing pattern. You should have good familiarity with traditional RDBMS versus distributed system and is aware of modern data access patterns. With reporting tools like Looker, Tableau, and Power BI, understands of how projects fit together within their team, test and monitors their own code, understands how to test and monitor tools and development language skills like Java, Python, or Scala. So if you have required skills and you're okay with location as well, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Ninth job company name is Koch Global, hiring for Power BI analyst, 0 to 3 years, job locations in Bangalore, education any degree and freshers are preferred, salary would be negotiable. So if you are looking to start your career as a fresher in Power BI domain, you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities, work with sales engineer, global account managers, industry specialist, and product engineering changes team. Daily updating of end customer details of CCC determination table in SAP. Provide support to sales operations functions to daily, weekly basis. Interact with the sales team, local coordinator, global coordinator, contractors, and engineers. Analyze data to identify trends, drive insights, and participates in project to deliver process improvement. Ability to multitask and to meet project deadlines and manage complex activities. And ability to balance workload by maintaining SLA, quickly learn new project requirements. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if technical skills, any degree freshers are for knowledge on Python, Power BI, R, programming, SQL, VB, and supply chain management, data cleaning. That would be an added advantage. Analytical organizations, decision making, written and verbal communication, presentation skills. You need to have 0 to 3 years of recent experience in analytics with a bachelor's degree. Understand the manufacturing process, engineering drawing, and supply chain flow. And if you like the posts, I'll share the link in the description box of this video. 10th company in the list is Ninopal, hiring for BI developer, experience 0 to 3 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, information technology, or related field, and salary would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities. We are looking for a BI developer to provide excellent customer service to our clients by assisting with implementation solutions, maintaining and supporting the assigned applications. In this role, you should have a background in data and business analysis. You should be an analytical and excellent communicator. If you also have business acumen and problem-solving aptitude, we'd like to meet you. The role needs a person who can solve anything quicker than anyone else. If the deadline is on fire, you need to work side by side with the team and code or run tests if they require your help. Coordinate with business analysts, develop business requirements and specification documents, maintain business intelligence models to design, develop, and generate both standards, reports, and functional dashboards based on business requirements. Work to build, perform, build validation, and collaborate with subject matter experts to design and provide data outputs. Work with the project manager in developing and executing project plans within the assigned schedule and the timeline. And working knowledge of BI technologies such as Power BI, Tableau, Looker, QLixSense, and manage new report generation and report based on the change requests. So these are the key skills and roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if you are interested for the job post, click on this link and you can apply for this job post. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week for the role of Power BI developer or business intelligence analyst. I hope you like this video. Do press the like button if these jobs are helpful. And you can also share your feedback or any suggestions in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.